course, Gretchen, for the very successful Rutherford show. And I know a lot of supporters and a lot of our Twitter fans always, what do you call that, compliment her. And we really look forward to watching the rap. So I'd like to congratulate Gretchen and the rap for a very successful year. And I hope that you guys will last more than 5 years, diba? You know, that won't be a surprise to the people. We all love secrets. We all love to find out what's going on in other people's lives. That's why we love watching the rap. Lalo na si Gretchen pa talaga yung host, diba? It's just a joy to watch on TV. Kaya naman, every time napapadaan ako sa office at the rap ako on, talagang nagsistay ako for a while, natatapusin ko kung ano yung mga ibabalita niya. And also, Gretchen has been very supportive of us. So, kaya naman kami rin, nandito rin kami for you, Gretchen. Congratulations. More years and decades to come. And we love you. Stay beautiful, stay happy, and congratulations to the rap.
Hi to all the viewers. I'm Alfred Vargas, and happy anniversary sa The Rap. And nako, ipagpatuloy niyo pa yung napakahusay ninyo at napakagandang pagsisikahan. And sana lalo pa nating makik-inform yung mga nanonood, yung mga kapamilya.
Hi, this is Annie Aideman sa mga kabarkada na isang taon na sumusubaybay sa The Rap. Happy anniversary, isang taon na kayo. Hi, this is Mara Salvador, and happy anniversary, The Rap.
Gretchen, I want to congratulate all of those from The Rap. Don't wrap up, okay? You got 1 year down, you got so many more years to go. But I want to congratulate you. There's always something special about the years. So, to all of those from The Rap, from Gretchen, all the way across the board, to the production people, the writers and all, congratulations. And God bless you guys with more, not just more shows, but more years.
At nagbabalik pa rin tayo dito sa First Barkada Chat Work. Mga kabarkada, kita nyo naman, nag-change costume pa ako.
Yeah, ako din.
Magpapasalamat
Ano
muna.
nagsabi sa akin?
Huwag na, wala ka naman baon.
Actually, ito lang talaga ready kami.
Na-shoot pa ako,
Oh, yeah,
nakarma. Thank you to Francis Vivian for my dress tonight. Pero, mga kabarkada, after natin ibalik sa mapa ang Pilipinas when it comes to football, after winning the hearts of Filipino fans and after winning the Barkada Choice Sports Celebrity Award, tawagin natin ulit ang Twin Hearties of the Team Ascom.
Wait. Ano mo kasi, Gretchen? Triplets yun eh.
Oh.
Triplets sila? Triplets sila eh.
Ikaw na naman yung pangatlo.
Yeah, I was the third young husband.
Hindi kaya?
I really am a young husband. Yeah, swear.
Old ka na old. Hindi ka na yakan.
Yeah, diwas na. Yeah, sige na nga. Anyway, mga kabarkada, please welcome back Phil and Jane's young husband. Again, I'd like to thank everyone for that voting for the Ascals. Continue to support us, and we'll continue to make you proud. And please support us in our upcoming matches so we can achieve our dream of entering the World Cup. If football is called the beautiful game, I'd say Filipinas are definitely the most beautiful women in the world. Diba? And now we're awarding that one special Filipina celebrity who stood out with her grace on and off camera. Here are the nominees for Barkada Choice Female Icon.
Choice Female Icon, Kim Chiu, Maha Salvador, Erich Gonzalez, Sara Geronimo.
And the Barkada Choice Female Icon is... Kim Chiu.
How does a sweet, simple girl become an icon? Is it in the way she talks, or the way she smiles, or the way she moves? Whatever it is, there's no denying that Kim Chiu is this generation's icon. Mula sa pagiging isang teen housemaid, sinundan na natin ang kanyang pagsikap, maging ang kanyang tunay na buhay sa loob at labas ng bahay ni Kuya. At kahit anumang pagsubok ang dumaan, nakasama na tayo ni Kim as she transforms from a meek teenager to a confident young woman that she is today. With her infectious smile and go-getter attitude, Kim continues to represent the young, modern Filipina. And that is why Kim is the perfect youth icon today.
Wow, yay! Thank you! Maraming salamat po dahil sa walang sawang pagboto and pagsuporta ninyo sa akin. Maraming salamat, lalong-lalo na sa mga fans ko na laging nandyan para sa akin. Hindi napapagod, bumoto, pumindot ng pumindot. Basta at sa inyong lahat na bumoto sa akin, maraming salamat po talaga. Thank you and mahal na mahal ko kayo. Thank you, Darap. Maraming salamat sa opportunity. Thank you.
Congrats, Kim. We now move on to our next category, one that Filipinos really love, the love teams. Actually, I hate to disappoint you, but James actually already has a love team. He's a better lover, but I'm a better player. Okay, so I think you and Angel have a shot at this award for me. Here are the nominees for Bacardi Choice Hollywood Love Team.
Choice Hollywood Love Team. Robert Pattinson and Kristen Stewart. Taylor Lautner and Kristen Stewart. Justin Bieber and Selena Gomez. Zac Efron and Vanessa Hudgens.
And the Bacardi Choice Hollywood Love Team is... Zac Efron and Vanessa Hudgens.
Kahit matagal na silang nakagraduate ang Troy and Gabriela, at kahit hindi in tune ang kanilang mga puso, marami pa rin iniwang good memories ang tambalan ni Zac Efron at Vanessa Hudgens. At sa laki ng impact ng High School Musical series, ito ang tuturing na unang influence ng kabataan ngayon bago pa man dumating ang mga sumunod na musical-inspired series. Sino ba naman ang hindi nakikanta dito? Siyempre, ang theme song ng every high school graduation. So before we forget the good times, let's remember our high school days with Zac and Vanessa.
We've got one last award to give, and I think I want this award actually for myself. I'm talking about the Breakthrough Artist of the Year. I should win this, yeah? I should win it? No? Please excuse Phil, he has his moments. Anyway, here are the nominees for Bacardi Choice Breakthrough Artist of the Year.
Choice Breakthrough Artist of the Year. Enchong D, Casey Concepcion, Empress, Andy Eigenman.
And the Bacardi Choice Breakthrough Artist is... Enchong D.
What is the true measure of a man? For Enchong D, it is not about the fame. It is not about success. It is not about the write-up, be it good or bad. It is not about trying to prove that you have what it takes to make it in this industry. What matters most is the impact you make and the legacy you create. Pinatunayan ni Enchong that this is definitely his time.
Pinilit kong huwag mag-isip sa inyo ng masama nang iniwan niyo kami. Alam mo ba, sa totoo lang, ang hirap palang lumaki na walang tatay.
Sunod-sunod ang kanyang mga naging big project at hindi niya binigo ang pagkakataong ibinigay sa kanya. And this year, we continue to see him unravel on and off camp with his disarming smile and undeniable charm. Enchong is ready to break out and to claim his throne.
Fans day lang. First of all, thank you very much guys for attending. Angelica for being my muse this night. And guys, thank you very much for coming. Alam ko, yung iba sa inyo may trabaho pero you came. Second, gusto na say thank you kay Tito Karen, kay Tita Monch, tsaka sa lahat ng mga taong tumutulong sa akin sa Star Magic. Yung mga doon sa taas. Tyson yung mga, yay! Fourth, thank you The Rap and congratulations for having this award. I think you did a very, very good job. Great job actually. And wow, 2010 talaga. Thank you. Yun lang. I love you guys.
Still to come, ang pinakahihintay na 2 biggest awards for tonight. Sino sa mga paborito niyong kapamilya celebrities ang mag-uwi ng tropeyo para sa Choice Actress at Choice Actor of the Year? Lahat ng yan at marami pang sorpresa sa pagbabalik ng Studio 23, the first Barkada Choice Awards.